Hi everyone, my name is Donald. Welcome to the Optimized Webmedia Podcast. My name is Donald, as mentioned, and I am the founder of Optimized Webmedia Marketing. And first of all, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to listen to our newest podcast. This is episode number 1, which is pretty exciting. And yeah, just want to thank you for tuning in. I believe that with the quickly evolving landscape of the digital marketing space, it's really important to stay on top of the latest and greatest. And that's our mission. I want to be able to provide you with the latest and greatest information so that you can, learn and stay on top of things. But also, too, we want to provide you with actionable insights that you guys can potentially apply to your own businesses as business owners, and or kind of apply within your own organization or company that you work for as digital marketing professionals. We are currently on YouTube podcast on the YouTube platform. So if you're watching on our YouTube channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. And we'll also be pushing out our podcasts onto the major podcast stream platforms. So be sure to check us out on those and download our podcasts. We're going to try to get onto Spotify, Apple, Google, and the majority of the other podcast platforms as well. So yeah, feel free to also leave us a positive review if possible. It really helps us get our content out to more to a large audience. So yeah, with that said, let's get to the program. So I have basically put together a list of topics that I want to cover, and right now the majority of the content sources are from Search Engine Journal, I believe Search Engine Roundtable, Search Engine Land, and so there are a number of other great resources out there that has a lot of content, and so we want to be able to digest them into digestible pieces, but also to try to get insights so then you can apply it to your business or organization that you work for. If you're also a student and want to just kind of level up in the world of digital marketing, or you're an aspiring entrepreneur, then hopefully this will also provide you with great information as well. So I'm just going to adjust the screen so then I can also have these resources up on the screen as I walk through them, and so they're pretty much going to be going to be doing it on the fly here. And so yeah, let's get the screen here all ready to go. Give me 1 second. Okay, hopefully you guys are able to see the screen here. So the first title here is the YouTube expands Shorts Toolkit, auto layout, text to speech, and more. So it's important to note that YouTube has introduced something called Shorts, which is a vertical format video platform and on the YouTube platform, and it's to kind of compete with other short form vertical video platforms such as TikTok and Instagram Reels. And so YouTube is one of the largest search engines out in the world. I believe it's ranked number 2 right after Google. Google owns YouTube, and so YouTube says that it's providing some more tools to help content creators utilize its internal tools to to make it easier to create content. So YouTube introduces new creation tools, including auto layout, text to speech, enhanced captions, and more. So YouTube Shorts is a platform that we found can get a lot of reach, even for small channels. So if you want to utilize it to grow a YouTube channel, that's a great way. And or if you have content already on other platforms, if you had primarily spent time growing a TikTok account, for instance, you can migrate a lot of that content onto YouTube. But these tools seem primarily, are created primarily to provide, YouTubers to, create quality short form or YouTube Shorts on the YouTube platform. So it says that YouTube Shorts has garnered 70 billion daily views and is simplifying the creation process, as mentioned. So we want to inspire creation and introduce tools that make it easy on Shorts. And so some of the new features coming to Shorts include auto layout. So this is an Android exclusive feature. So those with an Android, Google kind of iPhone, smartphone device. Feature automatically tracks the main subject when converting longer videos into Shorts, ensuring optimal framing. So that's actually really, really amazing because typically you would have to use a third-party tool to convert longer content to Shorts, and so it's great that it'll also provide that optimal framing. Text-to-speech narration, so creators can add narration to their Shorts by selecting from their different voices to read out on screen text. Add your stickers. This is an interactive element, allows you to encourage audience participation by inviting viewers to contribute related content, creating a chain of user-generated responses. Minecraft effects, to celebrate Minecraft's 15th anniversary. 2 new effects have been introduced: Minecraft Spring and Minecraft Rush. The latter is a playable minigame, so for those Minecraft enthusiasts, that might be a bonus. But those stickers is, it's actually already used on Instagram Reels, I believe. And so if you, want to try to get more engagement on your Shorts, then, including this may be a great way to do so. Enhanced captions, so soon creators can add, edit, and stylize auto-generated captions directly on their content. So there are already a number of third-party tools that enable this, but now that it's part of the YouTube Toolkit, then potentially you won't have to pay for that, and it's something that I know that video editors would actually integrate as part of the services. They would use tools like CapCut or After Effects or Final Cut Pro for the Mac users, and or Adobe Premiere, right? And so it used to be a very time-consuming process, but YouTube is integrating that as part of its toolkit, which is great. Remix capabilities, building on existing remix tools. Remixing tools, users can now remix a remix. So really great, tools. So just giving YouTube content creators more tools to help grow their channels, right? And grow their audience. Growing an audience with Shorts. It has amassed over 1 billion views on the platform. Inquired about tools to help build community. Longer Shorts on the way. So right now, Shorts, I believe, has a 60-second limit, and so the push is to try to get longer form Shorts. As you know, YouTube is celebrating the first anniversary of its partner program for Shorts, noting that 25% of YouTube partners creators are earning money through through the format. And why does this matter? So YouTube's new Shorts feature matter because more people can make videos. Just makes it easier for content creators to create Shorts. I actually know that several YouTubers are actually use Shorts as a means to try to get more of an audience and grow the channel. Keeping up with TikTok, as you know, TikTok is a very popular short video app. Money for creators, fun for viewers, and easier to understand, and also, to improve engagement also on the Shorts, I think would be another great benefit for these tools. Great. So the next content title that kind of caught my eye was 20 confirmed facts about the YouTube algorithm. So, YouTube courses usually have a section on the algorithm and what's currently working. And the thing is that the algorithm is always iterating and improving, similar to that of any search engine algorithm like Google's search engine. The idea is to continually evolve and iterate in order to improve the overall user experience, And as user, you know, interaction and behavior on its platform evolves and changes, the search engines, including YouTube, wants to evolve and adapt to ensure that it's always providing the best user experience, and that's what keeps people on the platform, right? So let's deep dive into the YouTube algorithm, exploring how it influences video suggestions and viewership to create high-performing video content. All right, let's see here. Just want to make sure that the video's showing through, which is good. So instead of counting the number of clicks or views a video gets, YouTube's algorithm focus on ensuring viewers are happy with what they watch. My inclination before diving into the content of this article is that, watch time is really important, right? Because ultimately it's, YouTube wants to, push out ads onto its platform, and the longer that, content creators retains its viewers on its video that it puts out, the higher chance that ads can be pushed out on that particular video. So this article examines YouTube's algorithm, how it works to help users find videos they like and keep them watching for longer. So we'll explain how YouTube selects videos for different parts of its site, such as homepage and the up next suggestions. We'll also discuss what makes some videos appear more than others and how YouTube matches videos to each person's interest. By breaking this down, we hope to help marketers and YouTubers understand how to work better with the YouTube system. So the first part of this article is that, prioritizing viewer satisfaction. So early on, YouTube ranked videos based on watch time data, assuming longer view durations correlated with audience satisfaction. However, they realized that total watch time alone was an incomplete measure, as viewers could still be left unsatisfied. So beginning in the early 2010s, YouTube prioritized viewer satisfaction metrics. Algorithm considers signals such as server responses, clicks on likes, dislikes, not interested, overall audience retention, like the percentage of videos viewed, and user behavior metrics, including what users have watched before, watch history, and what they watch after a video watch next. So the recommendation algorithms continuously learn from user behavior patterns and explicit satisfaction inputs to identify the best videos to recommend. So how videos rank on the homepage. So the ranking factors include performance data. So this covers click-through rates, impressions, average view durations. When shown on its homepage, YouTube uses these traditional viewer behavior signals to gauge how compelling a video is for other viewers. Personalized relevance. YouTube relies heavily on personalized relevance to customize the homepage feed for each viewer's unique interests. This personalization is based on insights from their viewing history, subscriptions, engagement patterns, and with specific topics or creators. So how YouTube ranks suggested videos recommendations. These include video co-viewing. So YouTube analyzes viewing patterns to understand which videos are frequently watched together or sequentially by the same audience segments. This allows them to recommend related content the viewer will likely watch next. Topic category matching, personal watch history, channel subscriptions. And so external ranking variables include things that can impact video performance are the overall popularity and competition level for different topics and content categories, shifting viewer behavior patterns and interest trends in what content they consume. Seasonal effects can influence what types of videos people watch during different times of the year. Being a small or emerging creator can also be a positive factor, as YouTube tries to get them discovered through recommendations. So a company says it's closely monitors success rates for new creators and is working on further enhancements like leveraging advanced AI language models to better understand content topics and viewer interest, as well as optimizing the discovery experience with improved layouts and content pathways to reduce choice paralysis. So what does this mean in terms of strategies? So strategies for creators with viewer satisfaction as the overarching goal. This is how creators can maximize the potential of having their videos recommended. So focus on creating content that drives higher viewer satisfaction through strong audience retention, positive survey responses, likes, engagement, and low abandon rates. Develop consistent series or sequential videos to increase chances of being suggested for related sequence views. Utilize playlists and end screens and linked video prompts to connect your content for extended viewing sessions. Explore creating content in newer forms such as shorts, live streams, or podcasts that may align with changing viewer interests. Monitor performance overall, specifically from your existing subscriber base as a baseline. Don't get discouraged by initial metrics. YouTube allows videos to continuously find relevant audience segments over time. Pay attention to seasonality trends, competition, and evolving viewer interests, which can all impact recommendations. So in summary, here are the 20 key facts about the YouTube algorithm. Number one, YouTube has multiple algorithms for different sections, the homepage, suggested videos, search, etc. Number two, the recommendation system powers the homepage and suggested video sections. Number three, the system pulls in videos that are relevant for each viewer. Number four, maximizing viewer satisfaction is the top priority for rankings. Next, YouTube uses survey responses, likes, dislikes, and not interested clicks to measure satisfaction. Number six, high audience retention percentages signal positive satisfaction. Next, number seven, homepage rankings combine performance data and personalized relevance. Number eight, performance is based on click-through rates and average view duration. Number nine, personalized relevance factors include watch history, interests, and subscriptions. Number 10, suggested videos prioritize content that is co-viewed by the same audiences. Number 11, videos from subscribed channels are prioritized for suggestions. Number 12, consistent series and sequential videos increase suggestions for related viewing. Number 13, playlists and end screens and linked videos can extend viewing sessions. Number 14, creating engaging, satisfying content is the core strategy for recommendations. Number 15, external factors like competition, trends, and seasonality impact recommendations. Number 16, YouTube aims to help new, smaller creators get discovered through recommendations. Number 17, AI language models are improving content understanding and personalization. Number 18, YouTube optimizes the discovery experience to reduce choice paralysis. Number 19, videos can find audiences over time even if initial metrics are discouraging. Number 20, the algorithm focuses on delivering long-term satisfying experiences for viewer retention. So then the article goes into a lot of more insights, but as you can see, there are a number of factors that really come into play when it comes to doing well on YouTube, right? And so I'm just gonna expand myself out here again, and so yeah, a lot of great insights. When it comes to growing on the YouTube channel, I'm really bullish on the YouTube channel. It is a fantastic search engine. If you have the description game down correctly, you can actually grow a pretty decent audience. You can have a link to email newsletter, direct them to your website, to your other social channels. But yeah, YouTube is a behemoth. I don't think it's going to go away. I think it's going to keep getting stronger. It is definitely investing heavily into AI, which is great that it is continually innovating. So yeah, a lot of the content on today's podcast is revolved around the YouTube channel, and so hopefully this particular podcast provides you with a lot of great insights that you can apply to your YouTube journey and or apply to your business or company that you work for. And yeah, I just wanted to make sure that I covered all the topics on this particular channel. So yeah, as mentioned, this is our very first, podcast episode on our Optimized Webmedia Podcast. So I really appreciate you guys a lot. You guys are up to date in the world of digital marketing when it comes to YouTube, for now. I want to thank you again for tuning in to the podcast wherever you're listening from. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay current and up to date with the latest content that we put out. We're also going to be pushing our content on as many of the major, podcast streaming platforms out there. So we're going to try to get on to Spotify, Apple, and Google Podcasts. With that said, hopefully you guys will download our content, provide us with positive reviews, and I just want to thank you again. Take care, everybody, and have yourself a great rest of your day. Bye now.